see what it looks like after a $21 wash. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. Wheels came out nice too. Got some mist dirt here. Some mist dirt here. I can get that with a rag. Other than that, came out pretty good. All right, so now I'm in a better area. Never mind. Typical trash car wash job. Come on, bro. You couldn't get that off? Come on. Yup. Waste of money. Waste of money. Comes off with the finger. But the car wash couldn't do it. Look at this. Yeah, never mind. Trash. We'll be going there again. They were trying to get me to sign up for some monthly nonsense. Nah, no thanks. No thanks. Windshield's out in the open and they couldn't handle it. Save your money, do it yourself, I guess. Just went in AutoZone because I'm gonna have to wash it again on my own. Was looking for one of these. A friend of mine has a car dealership and he has one called California Water Bleed. This is a different one here I got from AutoZone. $30, right? I figured I'd give it a shot. I went to pay. It was only $15. Nice. All right, let's see how this blade works out. Silicone blade. Wonderful. So that's normal, leaves a little bit behind. You know, you hit the whole car with this and you go back with a towel. Of course, I don't have a towel. I wasn't planning on coming up here today and having to wash it again. But then you know, once you get the heavy off, you hit it with a towel. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna try to dry this the best I can without a towel. All right, so it's not perfect, but I'm happy with it. Still got some waters in certain areas, you know. Like I said, I didn't have a towel, but I got most of it. I just want it clean because I'm getting ready to put a lot of miles on it this week, just like I do every week. So yeah, it gets dirty quick on the highway. Of course, I had to do it myself. These companies, they can't handle it. All they do is just take your money. I mean, technically, I could have went back and complained, asked them to send me through again, but I mean, if it missed on the first time, it's probably going to miss the second time too. And just for the record, it's a brand new car wash I went to, brand new, that pulls you through, and piece of garbage. I'm not going to name it because, you know, you're not paying for the lawsuit, so I'm not naming it. But basically, they're all the same if you ask me. Better off doing it yourself.